All right, turn and go forward.
Go forward.
Maddie, where you going, honey? Go forward. He's fine.
He's fine. He'll sit back once you drag.
Yeah, go. No, turn, Maddie, turn.
Fun.
Ashley, look out, sweetie. I want to get a picture of his face.
Maddie!
Madison, turn around and come this way.
Maddie, come this way.